Adding a Capital One card to Apple Pay is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Ensure your device supports Apple Pay and runs the latest version of iOS or iPad OS. After that, click on your name or sign in if you haven't already. After signing in, click your name again. Then select Account Settings. After that, click Manage Payments. Now, choose Add Payment. Then enter your payment details, and then click Done. Next, read and accept any terms and conditions presented to you. Follow any additional prompts to complete the verification process. Once your Capital One card is successfully added, you should see it listed among your payment methods in Apple Pay. You can now use Apple Pay to make purchases in stores, online, or within apps wherever it's accepted. Just select your Capital One card at checkout and authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode.